Hello everyone. In this presentation we will discuss this morphine and its structure and the modification on morphine. This morphine is an opioid analgesic drug or known as a narcotic analgesic and the main psychoactive chemical in opium. In this morphine there is a phenanthrene ring system. Phenanthrene ring system is present. It is a rigid pentacyclic structure consisting of benzene ring, it is A, then two partially unsaturated ring system, this B and C are partially unsaturated, then this piperidine ring, it is D ring system, it is D, and the tetrahydrofuran ring, it is E. The ring A, B and C are the phenanthrene ring system. Two functional groups as C3 phenolic, this is third number phenolic, and 6 number phenolic or hydroxy group. An ether linkage between carbon number 5, 4 and 5 number, it is ether linkage. The unsaturation between 7 and 8 number carbon, here is unsaturation at position number 7 and 8, which is present on the ring number C. The basic amine function at position number 17, this amine function group is present on the 17 number carbon, and the 5 centers are chiral. These are carbon number 5, 6, 7, 6, 9, 13 and 14 number carbons are chiral in nature. This is a structural modification and structural activity relationship of this morphine. Consider this hydroxy group at third position first. When we replace this hydrogen with this R, means methyl, it is considered as a, or it is called as a codeine. Then ethyl group, it is ethyl morphine, and if it is R is replaced with acetyl, this is acetyl morphine. It reduces the analgesic activity of drug. By methylating the phenolic hydroxy, the analgesic activity drops drastically, 0.1%, as active as morphine. This drop in activity is observed in other analogues containing masked phenolic group. Clearly, a free phenolic group is crucial for analgesic activity. This R is at the 6th position. When we consider this R at the 6th position, when heterocodeine, it is 5 times greater, it is ethyl morphine, 6 acetyl morphine. This analgesia versus morphine. This effect of loss of alcoholic group on analgesic activity. It results in this figure shows that the masking or the complete loss of this alcohol group does not decrease the analgesic activity, and in fact often has the opposite effect. This R1 and R2 consider at the 6th position. When it is hydrogen and R2 is hydroxy, it increases the analgesic activity. It is similar, and if these both are ketone, it is similar like morphine. Activity is similar like morphine at position number 6. Then these both are acetyl group, so it is called as heroine. It is OCOCH3. The heroine has two polar groups which are marked and is therefore the most efficient compound of the 3 to cross the blood-brain barrier. To conclude this, the 6-hydroxy group is not required for analgesic activity, and its removal can be beneficial to analgesic activity, but the third position is very important for this analgesic activity. Third positional hydroxy group. Sorry. When we this SAR of this one, removal of hydroxy at this third position is reduces the biological activity. Removal of it increases the biological activity. Removal of this ether, removal of this 6th position hydroxy, oxidation coupled with reduction of 7 and 8 carbon-carbon double bond increases the activity. Acetylation increases the activity. This 7 and 8 number. Introduction of hydroxy at this 14th position, it increases the biological activity. This ethyl phenyl increases the biological activity, and if it creates unsaturation there, it creates antagonist drug at this nitrogen atom. These are the summary of structural activity relationship. These are the morphine derivatives. This is first is naturally occurring morphine. This is codeine. This third position is hydrogen is replaced with alkyl methyl. Heroine is acetyl. This is acetyl dimorphine. It is called as heroine functional group. Is morphine, and this ring is fully saturated. Hydromorphine is again replacement of hydroxy with ketone. Hydrocodone is codeine is like structure with fully saturated ring system with ketone. This is also ketone, oxocodone and levorphenol. These are the morphine derivatives. Then antagonist of opioid antagonist. When allele or cyclopropyl methylene group attached to the nitrogen, it produces naloxone, naltrexone, nalorphine, which are the antagonists of morphine. When allele group, this is allele group, this is cyclopropylene methylene functional group, this is again allele, this is naloxone, naltrexone and nalorphine are the antagonists towards this. This is regarding SAR of morphine and structural modification. What is morphine structurally or chemically, SAR and derivatives of morphine with antagonistic effect. Thank you.